Title: One Pot Meals Dinner Easy and Delicious. Introduction. Host, smiling, hello everyone, and welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fantastic and hassle-free dinner, one-pot meals. As the name suggests, all the magic happens in just one pot, making cleanup a breeze. So, let's get started. Opening scene. Show ingredients neatly arranged on the kitchen counter. Host, here are the ingredients you'll need for our one-pot meals dinner. Ingredient list. 1 pound of chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 1 cup of diced carrots. 3 1 cup of diced potatoes. 4 1 cup of green beans, trimmed. 5 half a cup of diced onions. 6 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 7 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 8 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 9 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. 10 1 teaspoon of paprika. 11 salt and pepper to taste. 12 2 cups of chicken broth. 13 1 cup of uncooked rice. Step 1 Sautéing. Show the host placing a large pot on the stove over medium heat. Host, let's begin by sautéing the onions and garlic. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pot. Show the host adding the diced onions and minced garlic to the pot, stirring occasionally until they become translucent. Step 2 Browning the chicken. Show the host adding the bite-sized chicken pieces to the pot. Host, now. Let's add our chicken to the pot and cook until it's lightly browned on all sides. Step 3 Seasoning. Show the host adding the dried thyme, dried rosemary, paprika, salt, and pepper to the pot, stirring to coat the chicken and vegetables evenly. Step 4 Adding vegetables. Show the host adding the diced carrots, diced potatoes, and trimmed green beans to the pot. Host, next, let's add our diced carrots, diced potatoes, and green beans. They'll add great flavor and texture to our one-pot meal. Step 5 Adding chicken broth. Show the host pouring the chicken broth into the pot. Host, now, it's time to add the chicken broth. This will give our meal that delicious, savory taste. Step 6 Adding rice. Show the host adding the uncooked rice to the pot. Host, lastly, let's add our rice. We're using 1 cup of uncooked rice, which will soak up all the flavors while it cooks. Step 7 Bringing to a boil and simmering. Show the host stirring everything together and bringing the pot to a boil over medium-high heat. Host, now, let's bring everything to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Step 8 Covering and cooking. Show the host covering the pot with a lid and allowing it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and the chicken is fully cooked. Host, cover the pot with a lid and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will give the rice time to cook and absorb all the flavors. Final scene. Show the host removing the lid and fluffing the rice with a fork. Host, and there you have it, a delicious and hearty one-pot meals dinner. It's packed with nutrients, and the best part is that there's only one pot to clean up. Perfect for busy weeknights or lazy Sundays. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Closing. Show the host taking a forkful of the one-pot meal and smiling. Host, so tasty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy cooking!